Hi guys, let's unbox some goods I got from China. So my church was having a children harvest and I decided to get some souvenirs like party pack for the kids. So I'm just going to show you what I got. And while I was getting the party pack, I asked some people if they wanted anything from China on my WhatsApp, and they all sent me a picture of what they wanted from China. So I'm going to put music over this video and just enjoy the rest of the video so you can see what I got. Our China importation class is still on and we are still teaching how to import from China, and it's still 5,000 naira here. So you can import from Pinduoduo 1688, and the class is on Telegram, and you can also message me on WhatsApp to ask any questions. If you also don't like going through the stress of ordering from China and everything, we also offer procurement where we help you buy items from 1688 and Pinduoduo, and also phones. We can help you buy phones and laptop and other devices from China. So just send me a DM on WhatsApp and let's get to work. So guys, enjoy the rest of the video. Thank you.